with my little AC again. I just like this thing. Like, really like this thing. But, yeah, I think this, something's not working correctly in it or something, I don't know. And this is like fan cold, not AC cold. Looky here. I think this is why I think we finally need a refill. Another reason why I like this thing. It's a good old water saver. But same. But then again, this thing does need a refill. Because the water is literally right there. Below the minimum line. Jeez. But what the? Do I see that? You know, I think we need to reject the return. That's a problem. Why is this thing taking up where those blue things are? Only one day old, this thing's already starting to get dirty. And there's a bit of condensation because, I mean, this thing is wet from all the water at the bottom, so, of course, since it's also humidifying my room, it's, honestly get wet. This is like a big old condensation pan. Not, it's just a vent. It's pretty cool too. You can do that. Alright, I'm gonna see what is wrong with this thing. It just opens up like that. I have a pair of crappy shorts here just in case. Put it right near the unit. Matter of fact. Alright. This is where you fill up the water. Everything seems good just by looking at it right as it is from here, but I'm gonna take a further look. Oh. Where was that noise? Hang on. Okay. Let's have a look. Something's making weird noise. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, what the heck? You gotta be kidding me once again. This freaking coil. Oh, I'm just sending it further in. Oh my god. Yeah, this is not going back for a while. This is gonna wash. Alright, I'm gonna shut this off. You know what? You released it, but in the... Oh my god. It released in the water tank and it's already... Okay, we're gonna have to drain the unit itself out too. And this is a strange thing. Shouldn't have been happening to a unit that's only like a day old. Well, for me anyway. It could be more than that because of that thing and whatnot. I'm gonna put this back in for more you know, compactivity. Alright. See you guys in a second here. Alright, I got the unit here, so I'm gonna set this up somewhere like that. Okay. Oh, that's good. Alright. And that's the his game, Jim's game. Not sure what game though. A little thing at the bottom. You can release the water. Okay. It's cleared out. Alright, now for the coil. The water wants to be good if you wet it up and make it colder. So the air will be cold, the coil's cold already. But we still need water though, because then again I do have it vented out. Oh, what? Idiot. What the? Alright, hopefully that's good. Okay. Piece of crap. A lot. Now time to get the cup of water. It's not as frozen as it was earlier. Alright, I'm back. Again. Is that an interesting brand again? Oh, I can't read it because this thing is a piece of crap. My phone is, anyway. something. DC brushless fan. And pan. This is where you normally pour it, but if you're too bad at pouring it, just pour out the coil and do it in there without spilling any on that fan right there. Especially in that. See that little crevice right there? Oh yeah, my other fans are on too. That's what you hear. You know what? Yeah. Just for the sake of the video. You're welcome. Alright, let's go ahead and... What is that? No, never mind. Anyway, you add in the water. Anyway, we're gonna add in the water. Oh. What the heck? Stay off that. Maybe not max, but well, we're close. Just close enough. And then dry this off. I knew something like this would probably happen, so good thing I have my shorts handy, or whatever, or my so-called towel. What is this thing making again? Looks like I have to put this back under the towel, or back over my so-called towel. Alright, anyway. And then you put in the coil. Once again, I'm putting it in wrong. Of course I am. I'm always making that mistake with this thing. Just drop it in. You can see another reason why it's not. Well, it's good like that. Because as soon as you put the evaporated coil in, it does that. But anyway, now before I put it back together completely, let's go and make sure it all works. I'm not about to have to take it apart anymore or anything. Oh yeah. Oh, yep, it works. This thing says waterproof. Not really, but still, it survived. But doesn't mean it's waterproof though. Don't ever do this. Even though it survived, normally it wouldn't. So I'm actually rather lucky. But don't try that though. Do not try the waterproof test like that on this. But anyway, back to this one. Looks like it's cooling off better now. No more gunk in the system, so yeah. Not have to worry about any more garbage problems. Hopefully it doesn't collect back up. And then yeah. I'm guessing the temperature earlier was normal. I'm putting high. No, wait, no. It's actually slightly colder than it was earlier. Still not as cold as a normal AC unit. But then again, this is pretty small, so it doesn't need an actual air conditioner or anything. It's just... Well, they've tried. I'd still give Blu Breeze a participation award. They at least tried. And you know what? I think it's really unique, so you know what? I'm keeping it. Unless, of course, it dies or anything like that. Well, then sadly, we'll have to do the whole take apart and blow out and whatever thing. Anyway, well, that's been fixed, so now I can put it back now. I'll put it all back. And it's better like that anyway, so it creates a better air seal. So all the air would be coming out here. And let's take a look at the other side. I might shut it down, but yeah, my phone's being a little piece of crap. This back end. It's a good thing I have a video editor. Otherwise I'm screwed. But here's the back of it. This stupid handle is in the way. That's the fan. It's not doing that, it's just the camera. Normally it'd be a piece of crap for that, but you know what? It is actually normal for a camera. It's also weird, hexagon design on a fan grill for a return. And kind of weird, but I mean, what can you do? This clothes are so clean, you can literally see the fan itself from here. I can even read a bit of its tag off. And that brand is weird. In Chinese. Well, it's made in China. I mean, what isn't these days? But yeah, these units back up in actual service again. Looks like we're going to do an update on the unit, something, or I don't know. Hopefully this will last me through the night. Through the rest of tonight, and then all the way through the morning. And then by morning I will have this thing with some extra water. Or who knows, I could just put it up. It's not time for air conditioning anyway, it's actually time for heating. But my room gets so warm because of the heater. It's too good for the room. Sometimes, even for Austin's room. Even though there's barely any fans in his room. There's a reason why mine is cooler than his, because it has more fans, including this. Oh, and my... Yep, it is leaking for some reason. It shouldn't be leaking at all. Let's go ahead and put this thing back. Hello? I'll see you there. And hi. That's a stupid thing. Gotta keep it on because of how warm it is. Also because me and Austin are, well, hot air balloons, I guess. Because we do produce a lot of heat. Like a lot of body heat. And that excess body heat that comes off, it does end up coming off, and yeah. So I mean, it's good for heating. It's a good way to kind of warm up, I guess. But not very good when summertime and whatnot comes. But it's not going to come anytime soon, because it is still late December. Not even spring will come for another 3 months. So there you have it, a Blu Breeze fan been serviced, even though this has only been in service for 1 day. Kind of weird how it's already doing weird stuff. But, I mean, what can you do? Sometimes things are crappy. Like that thing. Yeah, that thing. So I'm gonna get rid of that Altec, but you gotta keep it. It's just some kind of requirement. But oh well. Anyway, see. Yeah, see you over.